If you've ever thought about developing your own physical fitness, you know that one of the best ways to get the results you're looking for is to adopt a flexible workout routine. There are a lot of different ways that you can do this, but at the end of the day, getting a flexible routine that will fit well with your own personal schedule is one of the most powerful things you can do. The reason for this being, once you've adopted a routine into your life, you can slowly yet surely turn this into your everyday or every week routine, and before you know it, adopt it into your own lifestyle. Getting a workout routine is simple. You just have to know what you're after and where you're going to get it from. I really think this is crucial for a lot of different reasons, but if you've ever spent any amount of time working out, you know that it's essential to have a preset routine that you can rely on day in and day out. This is how you get consistency in your routines, and is how you get slow, predictable gains in your body as well. Sure, it won't be easy, but if you stick to a workout routine consistently, you're going to have a much better chance of getting the types of results that you're looking for from a routine. There really isn't that much that you have to do in order to get in shape either, at least once you've already developed a workout routine, that is, and if you can get the other aspects of your lifestyle down, you're going to have a much easier time getting the results that you're after. The best advice that I can give someone that's trying to get in shape is to not only adopt a workout routine but also get your nutrition down as well. This is another critical piece of the puzzle and is going to really jump-start your workout routines and ensure that you're getting the best results that you can with the least amount of effort. Not many people even pay attention to their nutrition, but if you take a little extra time to knock this part of your life down, you're going to be getting results from your workout routine almost twice as easily and won't have to stress yourself out over getting these results either. This is something that I always recommend to people, but really think that if you're trying to get the most of your workout routines, this is definitely what you're going to want to be doing. Another thing that you'll always want to make sure when looking for a workout routine is to find something that's compatible with your current lifestyle as well. It's one thing if you want to adopt a workout routine into your life, but you have to also understand that this takes time, and it's important to make sure that you're choosing something that's going to really fit into your current life well and not cause too many hiccups along the way whenever it comes to transitioning into this way of living. Working out is definitely something that takes time, and it's really my hope that you'll make this transition as smoothly as possible, but often the things that you'll want to do to ensure you're doing that is finding a routine that's suitable for your needs. For instance, if you only have 15 minutes a day to work out, then you might want to find a routine that you can design yourself. That way you don't have to worry about other people or schedules getting in your way. Also, if you already have a routine that is ideal for you, find a way to make it fit into that 15 minutes. If that means splitting it up into several programs, then go for it. Just find something that you're going to be able to do for the long run, because that's how you're going to get the type of results that last. Lasting results should be the goal of any exercise routine, but the first thing you'll want to do is make sure you have a block of time that you can dedicate to this exercise routine. That way you can consistently go through and really knock out any type of workout that you might want to do in an orderly fashion. This is probably the best advice that I could give to someone that has any questions or doubts about starting up an exercise routine, and is definitely the best way that I know of to really knock out the best results. All in all, there are a lot of different reasons adopting a workout routine is powerful. For one, it's going to really lock you in to program that's going to get your results, period, and it's also going to motivate you, hopefully, to get up and do something every day. This is by no means an overnight process, but slowly, over time, you'll start adopting this into your everyday life, and it will become an ingrained habit that everyone around you will begin to respect. I think finding people that are supportive of your cause is another huge motivating factor to getting in shape, and if you need to cut people out that aren't going to motivate you either. At the end of the day, this is something that you're doing for yourself, so if there's anyone that's not on board with that, then it's probably in your best interest to not have anything to do with them anyways. Sometimes there will be loved ones that aren't supportive, but in that case it's best to just sit down with them and really talk to them about why you think you need to pick something like this up, and if they're truly supportive of you as a person, then they'll be supportive of this. If you have any questions or comments about what you read, please feel free to leave any comments below, and I'd be more than happy to help you out with whatever it is you're having trouble with. I think that over time you will slowly turn yourself into a beautiful transformation if you let yourself. You've just got to pace it and understand that these things come with time. Anyways, that's about all I've got for today. Be sure to check back for continual updates and more information on adopting a workout routine.